So I'm stuck in between getting myself a girlfriend or getting myself a Rottweiler puppy. What do y'all think? Which one is more loyal, a dog or a female?
What's up, guys? I saw this video and I did watch it, and I had a look at the comments, and guys, hopefully you can find this too, but there was not one comment that said get the girlfriend. Every single one said get the puppy, get the puppy, get the puppy. Unfriggin' believable. That's society in 2025. Well, a smart man would always choose the dog anyways. Who knows?